Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to this video. This is a short video. I'll be showing you how to how to add a subscription to the Red Hat server. So let's check the status of Red Hat server. It is active. Let's check the version. Hostname CTL. If I check hostname CTL status, give me version. Like my version is 9.6. RHEL 9.6. This is the version of OS. So how do we add a subscription for this OS? So to add a subscription for this OS, you need to create a activation key. You have to go to this console.red.com. After going to console.red.com, this page will be opened, and once this page is open, you need to go to activation key. In system configuration, you have to go to activation key, and here you have to create activation key. I can give one master server, master 01. Next, next. That's all you need to do. You don't need to do anything. Just copy this key, which is here. And let's create the command for attaching the subscription manager key. So to attach the subscription manager, friends, if you attach a subscription manager, then only you'll be able to pull the packages and all for Red Hat server. So that's not free, right? Subscription manager register org. Let me take the activation. Let me first write the command. Activation key. Let me copy it. Let me take the organization ID. Organization ID will be this here. This is the organization ID of my account. Once you have that, yeah, just enter. Then this server will be activated. Oh, so it is asking me to become root. So let me become root. Once I am on root, let me use that same command. Let me use that same command which I used. Let me override because already registered. So force it will be overridden, and my system will be registered as master 01. This is how you register RHEL server with subscription. This is how you add subscription to your Red Hat server. Let me type some other commands also. Let's check identity. It's giving right. Master 01 is my VM name, host name CTL. Host name, if I give, there is a VM name. That's a VM name, and yeah. So organization ID and then organization name and ID both will be same. And system identity is an identity which been provided by Red Hat for my account. For the server. Let me get to the uh, systems and then see if our system got registered. It got registered, right? Master 01. It is registered. It will take some time for all the data to come, but it will come in some time, or else we need to install this package here. Now it should come. Let's refresh and see. So that's a that is system D package or something. It might be some package which is pulling the data from my server to the dashboard. Take some time for the data to come, but we see our VM is registered. If we see master 01, right? Master 01 is registered. It will take some time for all the data to come. Okay, no, it is still running. Okay, start collecting all the data from master 01. So it has gathered the information which is there. Refresh. Maybe it has some all the information which is there. It 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 came right. So some information it has gathered from that packages which I have installed. If I see details, it gave two addresses, two addresses IPv4, two address why two address is showing, I don't know why. Two addresses. Okay, that one is localhost, another one is the IP of the server. Two nicks. Okay, one nick I have. One is localhost loopback nick card, and the other one is the ETH0. ETS18 nick card. So it has all the information which is been there on the system, and it gets all the information from the package which we installed. Vulnerabilities. It will show all the vulnerabilities which are there on the system. Compliance. If we check, no compliance. Patch. We can patch also. Like if we want to patch anything, we can patch also. Packages. If we see, okay. So we are getting all the information which is there on the system. Like as of now, like master 01 is the name, and it's a virtual machine, and its vendor is KVM. Okay, and two IP addresses, one IPv6 also. IPv6 it should not be there because by default it comes like. So FQDN it is not there. So those two NIC cards, and what's the version? So that's the kernel BIOS version. And how many packages are there? 1192 packages are there, and 112 services are running in the system as of now. And out of which two repositories are enabled 535 are disabled. Like we can see what are the registers which are enabled. You can see that also. You can see by this command, system manager repos list enabled. What are the repos which are enabled by default? There will be app stream, and there will be two repositories which are enabled by default. One is app stream, another one is let's check. Yeah. There are two repos which are enabled, right? RHEL. One is base OS RPM and AppStream RPM. These are repositories which are enabled by default. You can enable another repository also if it is required. You can check the status of inside client also by using this command. it shows the registration, how it is registered and all. So we can enable the repositories which are enable default also by this command. It's subscription manager repos enable and RHEL. These are the repositories which are enabled by default. I'm enabling again and showing you how to enable the repositories. If it was not enabled, then we could have enabled like by this command. That's what I wanted to cover in this video. So I hope you liked it. And if at all if you want to subscribe this your server machine to this Red Hat server, then this is the video. You can subscribe using this key which has been provided by Red Hat. This is my account. So this is my account which I have recently opened. If you see, I've taken 60 days free license from them. So these are 60 days free license from Red Hat server or Linux server. I experimented around a satellite also, like satellite server also, like one satellite server and multiple Red Hat servers at the backend to pull the packages from satellite server. So I've written a blog around it. I'll put it in the description. You'll find it in the description. And related to the commands in this video, I've created a blog around it. You'll find a blog, and in that blog you'll have multiple all the commands which are available in this video. Don't need to worry about it. So how to create all these subscription and how to create an account of 60 days free tire and all. I provided all these things in the blog which I have written. I'll share the blog in the description. You'll find it. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you.